Hey everyone! Are you ready to groove and get fit? Today, we have something special for all the beginners out there who want to kickstart their fitness journey with some dance moves. Get ready to sweat, have fun, and learn some amazing dance fitness routines that are perfect for beginners like you. Let's dive right in! First up, we have the basic Zumba routine. This routine is all about letting loose and enjoying the music while getting your heart rate up. With easy to follow steps and energetic Latin beats, this routine will get you moving and grooving in no time. Next, let's try the hip hop cardio routine. This routine combines high-energy hip-hop moves with cardio exercises to help you burn calories and tone your muscles. Don't worry if you're new to hip-hop dancing, our instructor will break down the steps, so you can follow along with confidence. Now, let's switch it up with the salsa fitness routine. Salsa is not only a fun and vibrant dance style but also a great way to improve your balance, coordination, and flexibility. Our instructor will guide you through the basic salsa steps, ensuring that you have a blast while getting a full body workout. Moving on, we have the Bollywood fusion routine. Get ready to experience the joy of Bollywood dance while breaking a sweat. This routine incorporates traditional Indian dance moves with modern fitness elements, making it a perfect choice for beginners who want to add some spice to their workout routine. Last but not least, we have the contemporary dance routine. This routine focuses on fluid movements, expression, and grace. It's a great way to improve your posture, core strength, and overall body awareness. Our instructor will guide you through the basic techniques, allowing you to unleash your inner dancer. And there you have it, folks! A variety of dance fitness routines that are perfect for beginners. Whether you prefer Zumba, hip-hop, salsa, Bollywood, or contemporary dance, there's something for everyone to enjoy and get fit. So, put on your dancing shoes, turn up the music, and let's start moving towards a healthier and happier you! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting fitness content. Keep dancing and stay fabulous! See you next time!